What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Man, as you can see right now, today's a beautiful sunny day right here in Houston. So today I'm gonna be working on installing this AFR gauge and this pillar pod on this bad boy right here. So let's get it. All right, so as soon as you open the box, it's gonna come with an AFR gauge. It's also gonna come with 3 wires. So this wire you see right here, that one's for the O2 sensor. That's basically goes right here like a plug. Also, it comes with this wire with 4 different colors. You're only gonna use the red one, the black, which is power and ground. Don't even worry about using the blue one and the white one. Alright, so as you can see right here, so right now what I'm doing, I'm plugging in the O2 sensor. I always make sure you at least put it on the bank 2. I wouldn't recommend you put it on the bank 1. And for the O2 sensor, you're gonna need a size 22. So the way you're gonna run the O2 sensor, you're gonna run it through here. I zip tied the extra cable over here. Then you're gonna run it under the brake fluid through the little firewall rubber that you see right there. So as soon as you do that part, it should come out through here, right there, and then you're gonna run it towards here. So the red cable from the AFR, you're gonna connect it to one of the fuse boxes. I would actually recommend you get this from AutoZone. It's really helpful. And then the ground, I connected it right here, like a little ground I did. All right, let's go ahead and try it out. Okay. Came out. As y'all can see, we went and go ahead and turn on the car. The AFR gauge came on. It was responding the way it's supposed to be responding. So this was a quick and easy video. If you have any questions or comments, I'm gonna go ahead and put my Instagram down here, or you can comment down below. So that's it for today, and stay tuned for the next one.